Welcome again. We are still in the problem of the failing CircleCI build. If you don't know what was that about, you can watch the previous video. I will put the link in the description. Um, let's see. I managed to finish the checkout code step and arrive to this step. And the problem was that I had to revoke the old key and have another key. It's still failing because pub command was not found. So I will see if reverting back to my image will solve the problem. And I remember I was using the tag version 2 for some reason. I will just go back to the image here, check the tags, and I have version 2 and version 3, and I totally don't remember. I didn't even have the Docker file for this image, so I don't even remember what's the difference here. I will just commit these changes to master and see how CircleCI will react. I will go back to, yeah, while it's trying to build, we can check the discussions here, discussions I followed. Like here, someone said that maybe you need to give access to the repository manually for the repository itself, and I found that I already did this, but for another discussion I found this answer, and he said you can delete old key, add a deploy key, and I did that, and it seems like it worked. Let's see how the build is going now. It's pulling the image. Flutter images can be like quite big because you have Ubuntu kernel and you have Flutter installed on top of it. And yeah, I don't know if you would like need studio under studio. You cannot obviously you cannot have Xcode, and you can just now Flutter supports web, and you can just like desktop build for web and mobile and Android, but like you need a Mac image to test for iOS. That's why like you might for Flutter and for like these things you might use something like Petrise instead of CircleCI. Makes it super easy. And this is like simple package, there's no need for all of these complications, but for any other pet projects I would need all of these kind of complicated tests and needing the Xcode and etc. I would definitely use Petrise. Uh, Still waiting. Downloaded the version of newer image for Flutter version 2. Hmm. Oh, okay. Hmm. Wow, it's done. Checking out the code, and it's running the test coverage, and it started with pubget and is downloading the packages. Test coverage, test lgov, analyzer, test API, shelf WebSocket, test core, async, JSON annotation, front end, kernel. Oh, now it's a good cover. Oh, and it's a success. Wow, great. Now CircleCI is not failing anymore. That's really great. It's passed. The cover dropped to 82%. This is a problem I'm gonna solve later. Okay. Thank you for watching and see you next video. Bye bye.